I am Dr. N.Senthil Madasamy, Associate Professor, Computer Science and Engineering. Welcome to this session on second part of Static Analysis Tools, SonarQube installation for one-credit course DEVOPS Technologies. In this session, topic to be covered is Static Code Analysis Tool, SonarQube installation under Module 3, Continuous Integration and Continuous Deployment. At the end of Module 3, the students will be able to automate the IT infrastructure. At the end of the session, the students will be able to demonstrate to install SonarQube, Sonar Scanner and analyze simple Java project. We will see about SonarQube installation, Sonar Scanner installation and analyze simple Java project. We are going to look at how to set up SonarQube on your computer and how to run basic Java program, and then we will analyze the report. So let us go ahead and start. The first step is we need to download the required software to do SonarQube setup. First one is the SonarQube server 5.4 I am going to use. We can get this software from the website of sonarcube.org/downloads. If you go to the website of SonarQube and from here download this SonarQube server 5.4. Second one is we need a runner to run our source code. So there are different ways you can set up runner using Gradle and Jenkins or some other plugins. It can be used to run scanner or runner, but in this session I am going to explain the common method through command prompt. You can run this Sonar runner, that is Sonar scanner. So far that we are going to use Sonar runner or Sonar scanner 4.4. It can be downloaded from this URL. If you go to this URL and you can download this Sonar scanner 4.4 version. Once we download the software, then we can proceed with the session. So I have already downloaded this software in my computer. This by default it comes as zip format. So we extract these files and then you can see folder structure like this for SonarQube. In the case of Sonar scanner, you will see similar structure here. Now we will set up environmental variable for Sonar scanner and till pin path, and you can take this path and you need to set this as environmental variables so that we can run Sonar scanner from anywhere. Go to control panel, select system and security, then select system, then select advanced system settings and click button of environmental variables. In this, select path of system variables, then edit to add this path at the end, then click OK. Next step is we need to analyze the report. So for that, what you need to do is you can take any project. For example, in my case, this is of my source code of Java. Now I want SonarQube should analyze this class file and give me the report whether this everything is fine. if there is issues, then it should tell me what are the issues. What I am going to do is I am going to make this project as configuration in the Sonar Runner properties, so that it is going to scan this project and give us the results. So in order to do that, the entries as to what you need to is go to the Sonar config folder. In this folder, you will see sonar.scanner properties file. In this file, first one entry related to SonarQube server, that is default port of default URL to access the report. Default encoding is UTF-8 format. We need to add few entries related to project, so that SonarQube will pick up this project details. That I will try to analyze the source code. I have added entries as sonar.project key is equal to Java project. It is unique one. Sonar.project name is equal to Java project. Sonar.project version is 1.0. Sonar.sources. Here we need to give the complete path, where I have this source code of this Java project.java. That is, go to documents under C drive. That means projects. Next go to Java project. Next go to SRC. Next go to Java project. This part should be added here. Here we need to change the backward slash to forward slash for Windows. Now run SonarQube. Go here, kill pin folder and select folder of Windows 86-64 and double click the start SonarPad file. This will launch server. It will take few seconds. Now it says like the process to up. Now we can check whether the SonarQube server is up or not. Just go to the browser and type localhost colon 9000. The server is up, but no project is specific mentioned, since we haven't run the Sonar Runner. Open the command window and set change in directory to Java project path. Type sonar-scanner and then enter. It will try to analyze the Java project file. The report will be sent back to the SonarQube server. SonarQube server process this report and displaying. Now that the execution is successful. Now go to the browser and then type the localhost colon 9000. Now the project name is Java project. The version is 1.0. Technical depth is 0 minutes. Click on this project, then it will show you comes up with your screen where you can see technical depth is 0 minutes, duplicate is 0%. So this code is passed without issues. Like this, each developer can analyze their code separately whether the code is correct structure before running the code. The summary of the session, you are clear about concept and demonstrated installation of SonarQube and Sonar Scanner and analyzed code of simple Java project. I hope you found this video is clear about static analysis tool SonarQube installation. Session 4 topic under Model 3 will be covered in next video lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.